Hello, kindergarten. Welcome to Tuesday's spelling words. I would like you to take your spelling notebook out if you haven't yet and turn to page 34. That's a 3 and a 4. And like I said yesterday, we will be doing two spelling words today, okay? And those are the two that you're on the page on right now, okay? So we're going to go ahead. We're going to get started. Your first word for Tuesday, for today, is say, okay? Will you say please? Say. Okay, now I want you to think of the beginning sound in S-A. If you said Miss Salvador, the first sound is a S, and this only letter that makes a S is the letter S. Then you are correct. You're going to go ahead and you're going to write the letter S on the lines. Now I know Miss Salvador does not have the neatest printing and she's not on the lines, but that's because she's writing with something called a stylus, and it's a little bit harder to do that on the iPad, but I still would like you to do your neatest printing on your spelling notebook. Okay? So we did A. And this one's a little bit of a tricky one because A, we have the letter A, but this is actually a phonogram, and we'll talk about the markings for that later on, okay? But we have A to letter A, okay? So you're going to go ahead and you're going to write A from the phonogram A, and after the letter A comes the letter Y from the phonogram I. But if we look with our detective eyes, kindergarten, we know that the letter A and the Y come together to form the phonogram A, two-letter A that we do use at the end of English words. And kindergarten, what happens when we have a phonogram in our spelling words? What do we have to do? You're right, we have to underline the buddy phonogram or the two-letter phonogram. Okay, so let's get ready to spell say together. In 3, 2, 1. Say. S-A-Y. Underline the A, two-letter A that we do use at the end of English words. Okay, kindergarten, good job. I want you to stop or pause. Do not write the rest of the words. We're going to keep going on to our next word, which is the word come. Oops. So I'm going to take my pointer. We're now on the word come. Your spelling sentence is, will you come over here, please? Okay, so Okay, our beginning sound in come is the letter C. Okay, so C from the phonogram k-s. The next letter besides C is an O from the phonogram A-O. Ooh, so you're going to go ahead and write the letter O beside the letter C. You're right, the next letter is an M. M from the phonogram. And we actually have another letter after the letter M, which is the letter E. E from the phonogram, E. Oh, I'm going to try and rewrite that E again. I know I can make that one a little bit better, so I'm going to try it again. Okay. E from the phonogram, E. Okay, now let's talk about the E for a little bit, kindergarten. We have come, which is k-a-m, but we actually have a silent final E at the end. Okay, now we need to put because it's a silent final E, we need to underline it 2 times. That's the rule. When we have a silent final E, we have to underline the E 2 times. And then we have to figure out what rule it is. Okay, and I'm going to tell you right now that that's rule number 5. And number 5 is no job E. No job E just simply means that the E doesn't have a job, but we still needed an E at the end. So I'm going to go ahead and write the number 5 beside the 2 underlines. Okay? After you have written that down, that is all the markings we have, and that's how you spell come. Okay, we're going to spell come together as a class kindergarten. So come, C-O-M-E, underline the E 2 times and put a 5. Okay, so right now, kindergarten, you can go ahead and finish off writing down the rest of your words for say, the rest of your words for come, and then you can do your sentences for say and come right after if you would like. Okay, tomorrow we're going to do 2 words again. Thursday will be review, and then Friday will be the test. Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow for Wednesday's words. Bye, kindergarten.